So let's move on here to writing and calling functions. So a bash function is essentially a set of commands that can be called numerous times. The purpose of a function is to help you make your bash scripts more readable and to avoid writing the same code repeatedly. Compared to most programming languages, though, a bash is a little limited in what it can do. So there's two ways to write a function, guys. We would use the specialized command function, and then we would put the function name, and then we would open the curly brace and close the curly brace. The other way to do it, and is the much more used way, is to just put the function name and then we use a parentheses. Okay? So left parentheses, right parentheses, and then we do a curly bracket to open it and then another one to close it. Okay? So let's look at that here. So we have our hash playing. We have variable 1 equals A, variable 2 equals B. We say my function, that's the name of it, and then we do the parentheses here and we open it with a curly brace. Then we have all this code here, and then we close it with a curly brace and we line it up with where the function name was, okay? And then we echo, before executing function, var1, and we put var1 in var2, and the value of var2. And then to run the function, or call the function, is what it's known as. So putting it here, this is known as calling the function. Then it would run, and it would echo this, okay? So guys, if we were to run the script, here's what's going to happen. It's going to echo this, then it's going to call this function, so then it'll do all this, and then it'll echo this, so in that order. So it goes 1, does this, 2, it does this, 3, it does this, okay?